welcome to Always Alyssa. It is first thing in the morning and I am very tired, but I'm going to be filming a morning routine today. I am super excited. I almost just dropped my phone on my face. That would have been awkward. Oh, I'm so tired. But I'm awake now. And there's something very special about this morning routine. I know I look so tired right now. That's star. But anyways, back to the special thing is I'm going to be doing this morning routine with my baby sister. And look, here she is. Hi, Chloe. Good morning. Oh, you look a little grumpy. Is it early? Oh, we're not morning people. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is go shower. Okay, Chloe, I'll be back in a second, okay? Okay, I just got out of the shower, I'm in my robe, and now I'm gonna let Chloe help pick out my outfit for the day. Hi, Chloe. Looks like you did good while I was in the shower. I'm back now. Oh, hi, baby. You're so cute, and you're wide awake. Are you ready to help me pick out my outfit for today? I think that was a yes. Okay, so it might be a little chilly today, so I have two different pairs of pants, and I'm gonna pick out a few different shirts for her to pick from. Okay, Chloe, what shirt do you think I should wear? Do you think I should wear this seahorse one right here? Or do you think I should wear this Billabong one? What do you think? The other one? Okay, this will be my shirt for the day. Okay, Chloe, which pants should I wear? Should I wear these ones with a stripe, or these ones that are plain? These ones? Okay, she picked these ones. Okay, Chloe, now we have the most important part. Which headband should I wear? Should I wear this big flower one, or should I wear the one that has two little pom-poms? What do you think? The flower? Or the pom-poms? Pom-poms? Okay. Oh, good choice, Chloe. I was thinking those ones too. Oh no, Chloe, I just realized these ones are broken, so I might have to wear the other one. Is that okay? Yeah? Oh, thanks for helping me pick, Chloe. Okay, now I'm gonna go get dressed. Okay, my hair's a little messy, so now I'm gonna brush it right next to little Chloe here. Do you want me to brush your hair too? Yeah. Do you think it's messy? Okay, I can brush yours too. Here, let's take your little headband off so we can brush your hair too. Oh, you have such little hair to brush, baby. Oh, all her hair is on the back side. Does that feel nice, baby? Do you like that? Yeah. You're gonna have a lot more hair when you grow up, and I can brush all of it. Okay, time to put my headband on. Oh no, what's wrong? Do you want your headband too? It's okay, I'll put yours back on. Looks like she already loves her headbands. That's a good sign. There we go. Your headband's on. You look so cute. Okay, now I'm going to wash my face, and I took off my headband for this part. Okay, now that I'm done washing my face, I'm going to brush my teeth. Now I'm going to take my morning vitamins. I'm all done in the bathroom, and it looks like little Miss Chloe is asleep. Oh, sorry, did I almost wake you up? It's okay, you can keep sleeping. I'm gonna make my bed right now. Okay, my bed is all made, and you might be wondering why I was sleeping with a Christmas blanket. And that's because I got it for Christmas, and it's one of my biggest and softest blankets, and as you know, it's always super cold in our house, so I need at least 3 or 4 blankets when I sleep. But I only ever need 1 pillow, whereas my mom, like at a hotel, needs like 40 pillows. Like, she's always calling the front desk, asking for more pillows, and I'm just like, you know, you could just sleep with 1, but I guess not. Oh yeah, and by the way, whenever we sleep in hotels, it's always super freezing. Like my mom literally puts the thermostat as cold as it will go. And so I'm sitting there at nighttime getting hypothermia because I'm so freezing. And I have to like order extra blankets from the hotel desk. I mean, I don't know why she likes it cold. I've tried to ask her and have her explain it to me. She just doesn't. She's like, oh well, I like to snuggle up and be warm at night. And I'm like, but how can you be warm when you're freezing? Does that make sense to you guys? But she has kept the room a little warmer because of Chloe, so that's good at least. And she wraps up Chloe in a bunch of blankets before bed. Okay, something else that's kind of a part of my morning routine is putting on either chapstick or Vaseline, because my lips get dry really easily, so I always have some chapstick sitting around. So yeah, that's a random little thing that I had to add to this video. Something else I might do in the morning is check on any of my art projects, like if I was doing one last night and have to finish it in the morning, or anything like that, or I'll read a book or something. It sounds like Chloe's getting a little fussy, so I'm gonna take her down the hall now and then we can eat breakfast. Oh, don't be sad. It's okay. We're gonna go down the hall now, okay? I'm in the kitchen now and I'm holding little Chloe. Oh, she might be a little hungry. I put her in her little swing with some music and she's a little happier. Okay, now I'm gonna decide what I'm going to eat for breakfast. Hi, Hannah. Good morning. Aww. Chloe's peacefully asleep in her swing. Okay, I'm looking in the pantry for something else to eat for breakfast, and I realized that I'm actually not that hungry, so I went to the fridge and I decided I'm just gonna have a yogurt. I have my breakfast and now Chloe's having hers. Just finishing her bottle. You were so hungry, weren't you? I can't get over how cute her headband is. Like literally every single day, she'll have a new headband that matches her outfit. It is the cutest thing ever. Something else I might do in my morning routine is read, like I mentioned earlier. So I think I'm actually gonna read this book right now, or at least a little bit of it, while I'm holding cute little Chloe. Oh, did you have fun time doing our morning routine together today, Chloe? I know I did. Hey, maybe when Chloe is older, we can do another routine together. Then she can actually brush her teeth. Oh, because now she's so small, she can only do some of the things that I do, like brush her hair, which she still doesn't have very much of, but that's okay. I had a great time doing my morning routine with my baby sister, and it still sounds crazy. I still can't even believe that I have a baby sister, and she's here now. Look how cute she is. She's nice and happy from her bottle, so now she's asleep. I might go put her in her swing in a minute, but how do you guys like her outfit today? Isn't it so cute? She's kind of covering it, but it says little sister in pink writing, and it's yellow. She looks so cute. You know the color I actually think she looks best in is purple. She wore something purple the other day, and she looked so pretty with it on. Well, anyways, I hope you guys have a great day. I had a lot of fun doing this video, and you guys have to make sure to comment and tell me what else I should do with my sister. If I should do a night routine with my sister picking my outfits, or something like that. So comment any of those cool ideas and I'll make sure to look at them all. I will. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye!